Good morning, sir. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How about you?
I am also fine. Did you complete the syllabus for our class?
Yes, almost finished. Just a few more topics to cover.
That's great. We should make sure all students understand well.
Absolutely. We can have extra practice session if needed.
Yes, and also, we need to plan for the upcoming exams.
I agree. Let's discuss the timetable for revision classes.
Okay, we can do that during the break.
Perfect. Also, have you spoken to the principal about the science fair?
Not yet, but I will do it today.
Alright, let's work together to make it a success.
Definitely. We always manage well as a team.
True, our students' growth is our priority.
Absolutely. And we will continue to guide them in the right direction.
Let's meet after school to finalize our plans.
Sounds good. See you then. Have a productive day.
You too. Take care.
Hello, how is everything going?
All good. Thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Did you watch that new movie?
Yes, I did. It was quite entertaining.
I heard the ending was unexpected.
Absolutely. Took me by surprise.
What else is happening around here?
Well, the weather has been quite unpredictable,
Tell me about it. It was sunny yesterday.
and today it's raining, typically.
Anyway, have you tried the new restaurant?
Not yet, but I am planning to go this weekend.
Let me know how it is. I am curious.
Sure thing. Oh, and did you hear about the upcoming festival?
Yes, I did. I am looking forward to it.
It's always a lovely event.
Definitely. I enjoy the music and food.
We should go together. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
Great. It will be fun. See you later.
Take care. Bye for now. Hey there. It's been ages since we caught up. How have you been?
Hi. I know, right? I am good. Just busy with work and all. How about you?
Oh, same here. Work has been keeping me on my toes, but I managed to take a break today.
That's nice. Sometimes we really need a breather. By the way, have you tried the new coffee they have here?
Not yet actually. I am usually stick to my regular, but I am up for trying something new.
You should definitely give it a shot. I had their caramel latte last time, and it was surprisingly good.
Sound tempting. I will go for it then. So tell me, how are your family doing?
Everyone's good, thanks. My parents are enjoying their retirement, and my sister just had a baby.
That's wonderful news. Please pass on my congratulations to her. How's the little one?
He is adorable, such a tiny bundle of joy. Makes me want to have kids soon too.
Ha ha. Well, take your time. Parenthood is a big step, you know. So, have you been to that new movie that everyone's talking about?
Not yet, but I am planning to go this weekend. Heard it's a must watch.
Same here. Let's make a plan to watch it together. Oh, and before I forget, remember that trip we were planning?
Oh, yes, I do. I was actually going to bring that up. When are we thinking of going?
I was thinking next month we could take a few days off and explore that hill station we have been taking about.
That sounds perfect. I will check my schedule and we can finalize the date soon.
Great! It will be so much fun. Nature, fresh air, and a break from our usual routines.
Absolutely. I can't wait. It's been ages since I went on a proper vacation.
Well, this one's going to be memorable. I'm sure. Alright, let's order that coffee now. I am really curious about this caramel latte.
Haha, sure thing. Let's go ahead and treat ourselves.
Hey, you reached airport on time? Yes, just now. Flight delayed or on time? Delayed by half an hour. Traffic jam outside. Oh no, bad traffic always here. Yes, quick check. Now waiting at gate. You packed all. Yeah, everything's in bag. Excited for trip. Me too. Needed break. Flight called. Finally leaving. Hey there, Manoj. I noticed you have been making great progress in your English speaking skills. What is your secret?
Thanks, Ram. Well, I have been really working hard on improving my English. I realized it's becoming increasingly important in our professional lives.
Absolutely. I could not agree more. I have been struggling a bit though. How did you get started?
Well, I started by watching English movies and English practice channel on YouTube like English Mindset with subtitles. It helped me get used to the sound and vocabulary.
That's a good idea. I have been trying that too, but sometimes the dialogues are too fast for me to catch.
Don't worry, that's completely normal. You can slow down the playback speed or even pause and repeat section. It takes time to train your ears.
I will keep that in mind. Did you take any formal classes?
Yes, I joined an English speaking class in the evening. It really helped me improve my English grammar and vocabulary. Plus, practicing with others boosted my confidence.
That sounds beneficial. I'm thinking of doing the same. How do you deal with the fear of making mistakes?
Mistakes are a natural part of learning. I used to be conscious too, but then I realized that making mistake is how we grow. People are generally understanding and appreciate your effort.
You are right. I need to change my mindset. So, what about reading? Does that help?
Definitely, I started reading English newspapers and online articles. Initially, I used to look up a lot of words, but it expanded my vocabulary and improved comprehension.
Reading seems like a good approach. I will give it a try. And what about speaking practice?
Oh, that's crucial. I joined a conversation club where we discuss various topics in English. It's a safe and supportive environment to practice speaking without the fear of judgment.
That's wonderful suggestion. I will look for such clubs around my area. By the way, how do you keep track of new words you learn?
I maintain a vocabulary notebook. Whenever I come across a new word, I write it down along with its meaning and an example sentence. It's a handy reference.
That's organized. I will start doing that too. Thanks for sharing your insights, Manoj. It's inspiring to see your dedication.
You are welcome, Ram. Just remember, consistent effort and practice are the keys. Learning a new language takes time, but it is definitely worth it.
If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.